What's up, YouTube, and welcome back to Scratch Outdoors. I come up here today to get this, see if I can get this refrigerator leveled out. It's kind of off. It's kind of off. It's leaning forward a little bit. I don't know if you could tell. It's not sitting in there right. And when I open the freezer, it touches the bulb a little bit. So it's sitting a little high. So I do have a board underneath of it, and I need to take the board out so that it can sit down in the front, and that'll probably, I'm pretty sure that'll stop it from hitting the light bulb. But again, it's not sitting level, like I said. So yeah, that's what I got to do, and so that I can put some trim around on each side and the top. So there's a little, about an 1.5 inch gap at the top, and maybe a 1/4 inch on either side, maybe not. But before I do that, let's go check on Mom's. Coming in. What you know? Who that is? I want to know who I am.
Your uncle?
Who want to know who I am?
Landers.
Oh.
He said he was just getting ready to call you.
I was going to call you earlier. Who you know, Unc?
Hey, now what's up?
There ain't a whole lot.
You don't go on the fish, eh?
I ain't been no fishing. I think I found out what James River Bridge is.
I thought about you today, but I had to go get my eyes.
What wrong with your eye?
Huh?
What wrong with your eye?
I had to go get glasses today.
Oh, okay.
See the doctor, get my eyes down and all this shit.
Got you.
Yeah. What you do today?
Work?
Huh?
Work all day?
Oh, yeah, all day?
Yeah. Look who done followed me back over here.
I did the work. I should come and go in and see what he's doing.
I got a valance to put over the door. She covered it like she did the curtains. Yeah. Got a little accents up there on the deal. Thank you. Alright, I gotta get this cover off. I think it just pulls off. Yep. Get these screws out. I put that there. Did I put a second screw in? I thought I did, but if I did, I don't know where. Maybe I didn't. Maybe I was going to. I must not have put a second screw in there because I know I had to take it back out. So I gotta take out this board and figure out how to situate it. I also need to figure out how to situate these lines out the way. Alright, let me go back on the inside and see what I can get my mom to do. pull the bolt up.
Huh? Got it?
I don't want to get the flow. That's why I keep walking around. Hey. Hey. Oh, see, it's still sitting up on.
This one on this side is not touching this one at all on this one to the left, but it's going to the right. this thing probably would get down.
I got something going there on the deal, on the deal. I got plenty of space now. It's almost all over you. I'm gonna come to the bottom of the deal. Alright.
Like this is, like that's out, this is in. I need to bring this out. And I just need to go straight up. You know what I'm saying?
So now I gotta pick it up.
And I'm gonna pull it forward. I'm gonna pull the whole refrigerator forward. And then I'm gonna push up. Push the shelves back. You know what I'm saying? I gotta get the shelves out. I gotta pull the refrigerator back out. You laughing at me?
Come on, that damn box.
Laughing at me. You know what happened? They laughing at me that I get the food.
You got good money to pick up the wall.
No, I ain't trying to.
Oh.
I'm trying to get.
You know what, Mama? You need to wake up south. You know what you're trying to do? Lift it up?
I think what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put the screw in the back. I don't need. I need to slide the refrigerator to this way, so and I need to. Then I need to lift up, but I don't need the refrigerator to go back in.
You mean at the bottom?
Right.
It always done came from the top. Like that. Then one. Then get this ceiling was a little bit tighter, it would be good. I know. I just.
Alright guys, look like we got it. We got it all the way it needs to be. We got the gap closed up. We're not touching when we open the freezer. It ain't touching at all. Right? Now I can put a piece of trim in there, close that off on both sides. Piece at the top, go across,
On the bottom.
and the bottom. So I'm gonna go out here and stick that plate back on the wall. Ooh, you lock it though. All right. I put 2 screws into the floor. Got that all buttoned up. This gas line is gonna stay here. You never know what I might need it for. It's back almost. It could probably come back a little bit more, but not much. But I'm gonna go ahead and put this plate back on here and close it up. We are done. I'm gonna get some insulation or something, or screen. I'll probably put some screen around this one day when I get some extra time. So we are all buttoned up, guys. Woo! Alright, so that's gonna wrap it up for the day, guys. We got the refrigerator the way we want it. I just gotta put a little insulation around the back and some screen, and that'll be done with. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, share with your friends, and we will see y'all on the next one.
Bye.
Scratch Outdoors. Peace.